do you know what? I used to think stress meant something was wrong with me until I heard Dr. Mark Brackett explain this. So okay, this is the continuation of my borrowed wisdom episode 1. So Dr. Brackett said something that completely changed my perspective. So he said emotions are signals. For example, anxiety. He said that it doesn't always mean something is wrong with you. And sometimes it's our brain telling you that there's a lot of stake. The demands feel bigger than your resources, and the outcome depends on what you do next. So, okay, that made me realize maybe the problem isn't that we're emotional. And maybe the problem is we make important life and business decisions without understanding what our emotions are trying to tell us. So now instead of asking, how do I stop feeling this? I should try to ask, what is this emotion trying to teach me? So okay, always remember this. Our emotions aren't the enemy. They're information. That means learn to understand them before you let them influence your next decisions. Okay?